Waki wa kambi ya Eliud Kipchoge Complex riu ni ukuhiriria kurika na kuria kiharo giki gitanyitwo kuhuthirwa thiini wa mathako matiganite.
The Kipchoge Sports Complex now is ongoing, is 90% done, and we are hoping that by end of this year it will be ready so that by next year when everything goes back to normal we will be using it.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa imwe na uyu uria wikaine ta Abraham Mutai augite miaka iguka ateng'eri aingi ni mekuma mwena uyu guku agitugeria wira uria urarutwo.
I want to say that after the completion of Kipchoge we will be able to host a lot of events, cases, training. Even the national team can come here to train in Nandi. In the camp, you see, we are targeting to have the athletes whom are coming straight from the lower level, because here is a place whereby an athlete is brought so that it can be discovered even more.
Ben Chumo uria nake ni kocha wa mahenya augite kiharo giki ni gia gikiro kia iguru na ari na mwihoko mbeu njithi ni megukorwo makiingirania na mahenya.
Hapa itasaidia wale junior athletes, wale wenye upcoming athletes, wale wenye pato ni wachanga na watakuwa train wakikaa hapa. Hapa ina accommodate wakimbiaji 200. Hapa kutakuwa kuna gym na kuna mahali kuna vitanda.
Kaunti ya Nandi ni muciĩ wa njorua cia ihenya kuma mita 800 mwaka wa 2008 Pamela Jelimo, UNESUM mwaka wa 2013 Consensus Kipruto gatagati ka ateng'eri angĩ aingĩ.